preparing for a civil engineering job interview, or if you are already working on a construction site, it is important to remember some basic knowledge of civil engineering. This knowledge will help you pass the interview as well as enable you to effectively handle and solve problems on the construction site. So let's begin the video. Let's start with soil filling. In soil filling, as per the IS code, 3 samples for core cutting test should be taken for every 100 square meters. The soil should be compacted properly to achieve the required density and stability. Compaction equipment such as vibratory rollers or plate compactors should be used to achieve the desired compaction levels. Next, let's talk about concrete. The compaction of concrete should be done properly. Concrete should be transported via the shortest route. The combination of cement, sand, and coarse aggregate should be according to the design. Concrete cover should be sufficient. Concrete should not fall from a height greater than 1.5 meters. Do not over-vibrate concrete. The water-cement ratio must be checked. Different grades of concrete have different water-cement ratios. Now let's move on to bricks. Water absorption of bricks should be less than 15%. The compressive strength of bricks is 3.5 N per mm. Bricks should be soaked in water before use to prevent excessive water absorption from mortar, which can weaken the bond. Proper mortar mix proportions should be maintained to ensure a strong and durable brickwork. Let's talk about steel. For calculation of the unit weight of steel, the formula is d square by 162. For dowel bars, the diameter of the steel should not be less than 12 mm. For chair bars, the diameter of the steel should not be less than 12 mm. The spacing between chair bars should not be more than 1 meter or 1 chair bar per 1 meter square. Lapping of bars must not be used with a diameter greater than 36 mm. Moving on to design and structural elements. Reinforcement design should be done according to the IS codes. The height of floor to floor should not be less than 3 meter and not more than 4 meter. The longitudinal bars should not be less than 0.8% and not more than 6% of the gross cross-section. The minimum number of bars in a circular column is 6, while in a square column it is 4. Let's talk about storage and safety. Cement should be stored in a dry place, raised 8 inches above floor level and 1 foot or 300 millimeters away from each side of walls. The cement bags should be stacked in a suitable manner. Electrical conduits shall not run in columns or beams. Earthquake excavation for basements above 3 m should be stepped form. Now moving on to quality control and testing. The dimension tolerance for cubes is +2 millimeters, -2 millimeters. The cube test should be done for every 30 cubic meters of area. The aggregate used in concrete must be free from silt, dust, clay, or other impurities. In aggregate, angular shape is preferred as it enhances bonding and increases concrete strength. So guys, this is for today. I hope this video was helpful. If you have learned something, how much should be the floor-to-floor height, please comment down. In the next part of the video we will talk more about the basic knowledge of civil engineering. Till then, have a good day. Don't forget to like the video and hit the subscribe button.
Go.